In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create circular arc text in Framer. One of the first things you'll need to do is navigate to the Framer universe. This is a massive collection of components that have been created by others and shared for public use. Once you've arrived at the Framer universe, use the search bar to find a component for creating curved text. You might try searching for the term curved texture or arc text. These components are developed specifically to create the type of text effect you're interested in bringing to life. Once you've located the component for creating curved or arc text, just go ahead and click on it. This will copy the component into your clipboard, which allows you to import it into your project with ease. Now, let's switch over to your Framer project. Here, you should paste the component you've just copied directly onto the canvas. This action will effectively import the component into your project and allow you to manipulate and customize it to your liking. So how do you customize this component? Well, just direct your attention to the Properties panel, usually situated on the right side of the screen in Framer. This panel is where you will make your adjustments to the component. Start by changing the text content. This could be your message that you want to display in a circular pattern. You can then adjust the amount of curve on the text using the curve property. Want more or less bend in your text? Slide the curve property accordingly. Next, why not add some movement to your text by controlling the animation speed? Speeding up or slowing down the animation can add a unique dynamic to your design. You can also set the text direction from this panel. Whether it scrolls from left to right or right to left is entirely up to you. Your text curve component can also be made interactive and draggable by users. Draggable is a property in the panel that, when toggled, allows the viewer to click and drag the text around the screen. Finally, you might want to consider adding a soft fade effect to the ends of your text. This effect can be controlled using the edge fade property. It creates a soft transition from the textual message into the background, which can make it easier on the eyes for your users. By following these steps and using the Properties panel to your advantage, you will have created a unique and visually appealing circular arc text in Framer. It's as simple as that.